Alright, so this is it pretty much. I have left the coil packs directly connected to the ECU. I will put the battery terminal on. That's pretty much it. Try to put this down. This is okay. I'll leave this just slightly open. The hydrogen bottle is inside. Let's give it a go. Okay. Come close just before it starts opening, and I'm ready. Okay, let's go. Forgot to put the seatbelt on. There's definitely power coming out of this. Wow, I'd say that was a success. This actually drives and develops power. Couldn't really test how much, but there's definitely coming power out of that engine, like you'd say it's pretty normal. Much guys.